Hello friends, I am Maggie and today we are making miniature scented candles for a dollhouse. This is the sheet from my Etsy shop. It contains 40 candle labels of all colors. The free sheet for 6 of the labels is in the description of this video. You may print the sheet on a regular paper and glue the labels with craft glue to the jars, or print on sticker paper as I did. I will cut them out and peel them off as stickers. Now, let's get started. First, you need to download the PDF document. Open it, select File, Print, then alter the scale to 100%. For quality, I always select Best, then click Print. Next, you will need a craft glue, mini jars of half milliliters, tweezers, scissors, a paintbrush, cotton yarn, and sealing wax beads of mixed colors. You may use any candle of your choice instead of the wax beads. You will need to cut out all labels. Next, cut the wax beads into small pieces with an X-Acto knife. Fill the jars with the wax pieces. Melt down the wax by holding the jar above a candle flame. Be careful not to burn your fingers because the jar gets really hot. Use long tweezers. At some point the tweezers get hot too. After the wax is melted, fill the jar again to the top with wax. Melt again. Pull out a single thread of the cotton yarn. Dip the thread into your lit candle's melted wax to get a small amount on the end of it. Put the thread inside the mini glass jar and hold it a bit to remain straight. Peel off the label from the sticker paper. Attach it to the jar and apply craft glue on top. This will prevent moisture, or if you touch the jar with wet fingers, the ink will not dissolve. Put the candles into your dollhouse to create a peaceful and cozy home decor. Thanks for watching, bye!